Hey there, baking enthusiasts. Today, I'm bringing you a game changer for your kitchen, the Amazon Basic Silicone Baking Mat. This pack of 2 non-stick, food-safe baking mats is going to revolutionize the way you bake, roast, and prep your food. Let's talk about convenience. These mats are designed for easy and convenient use. The food-safe silicone material is reusable, making it an eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper. The non-stick surface means you can say goodbye to greasy oils and cooking sprays, and cleanup has never been easier. But wait, there's more. These mats are oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit and can be used with a baking tray for additional support. And when it comes to cleaning, simply scrub them with soap and water by hand, and they'll be good as new. The dimensions of these mats are 16.5 x 11.6 inches, making them the perfect size for your standard baking tray. So, why should you invest in these baking mats? Well, if you're tired of dealing with messy, sticky baking pans and wasting money on single-use parchment paper, these mats are the solution you've been looking for. Not to mention, they are a sustainable and cost-effective choice for your kitchen. And the best part? You can get your hands on these Amazon Basic Silicone Baking Mats by clicking the link in the description below. So go ahead, make baking easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable with these fantastic mats. Don't miss out. Subscribe, hit that like button, and grab your baking mats today. Let's elevate your baking game together.